Hi guys, we're going to be making fried jalapeno popper sandwiches. Altogether this is going to make 4 sandwiches, and I have fried up and drained on paper towel 8 slices of applewood bacon, and as I fried them I actually cut each piece of bacon into half and fried the individual halves that way. I have 8 jalapeno peppers and I've cut off the ends and the tips of them and I sliced them in half, and then I took a spoon and I took out the membranes and all the seeds, and then I've placed them on a parchment paper. My oven's preheated to 425 degrees and I'm going to bake them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to flip them halfway through. I want to come out tender and a little bit charred. So I'm beginning to stuff them with cream cheese, and I'm using an 8-ounce box that's been softened to room temperature. And I'm just taking off chunks of it and I'm squishing it inside the jalapeno pepper and putting it back on the tray. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill these all up. So I've got them all filled up, and I have about 1.5 ounces of the cream cheese left, and I'm going to put these to the side. And here I have 6 eggs and 1/4 cup of milk, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to beat this together. And now I'm whisking in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm heating up a skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil. I have sourdough bread, and to that I'm going to put a slice of cheddar cheese. For the popper stuff that I'm putting upside down on the bread, to that I'm going to add the bacon. And remember that I cut the full slice of bacon in half as I cooked it, so it's going to be 4 pieces per sandwich. Another piece of the cheddar, and then a piece of bread. Holding on to the whole sandwich, I dip both sides of the bread in the egg batter. I've got my skillet heated up on medium-high heat with a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to fry this on both sides for 4 minutes each. I want it to be lightly golden brown. So there's my fried jalapeno popper sandwich. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.